Let's unbox this snow shovel from Yeet Snow. I got this because I really want a great snow shovel this winter, and I'm really hoping that this one is as good as it promises, which is I want those 17 inches of shoveling ability, and I want it to be lightweight and super sturdy. I want something that lasts. Let's check it out. The shovel itself has this metal edge, so you can really scrape it along surfaces. I really like how it's open in the bottom, so it is going to be able to be pushed easily, and it has a good scoop, which is definitely what I want. I don't want to just plow the snow. I need to be able to shovel the snow. So this should be able to both plow and shovel, and it's nice and lightweight, which is nice too. And it has really simple instructions. All I need to do is connect all these metal poles together, and it has all the hardware I need for that. And I do really like that these are metal. They'll be much sturdier. The only pieces that are plastic are the handle and the main portion of the shovel. But this is the piece that would become way too heavy if it was all metal. So this is a really nice blend of metal and plastic to give you what should be an extremely sturdy and lightweight shovel. Now here it is all put together. The main key with putting it together is knowing that one of the screws is longer than the rest, and that's for this piece. Past that, they're very easy to twist closed. As you can probably hear, it is raining where I am, not snowing, so I cannot demonstrate this yet. But what I love about it is a really nice lightweight feel. This base is super solid, and I love the metal along the bottom. I also really appreciate how tall it is. I'm 5'11", and this has enough height that I feel comfortable that I won't be crouching over as much as so many snow shovels require. And so I really can just push and pick up while basically standing. And this bent design right here really does make for a nice shoveling experience. I'm really impressed with this shovel, and I'm hoping that it will do the job this winter. I will definitely be doing another video as soon as it starts snowing.